Hi everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick update here on Polkadot. We talked about this cup and handle pattern from yesterday playing out pretty well, which it did. It swept that upper level liquidity up where they're about 650. I'm very curious about the liquidation levels now and kind of where we're at there. So if you are new to the channel, I want to say thank you very much for watching. If you could do me a favor, hit the like button, comment below. I deeply appreciate it. One or the other, honestly, is just fine. And if you want to become a better trader, again, CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link down below. We actually have a lot of new members coming over because we have new slots left open or now open as of July 1st. So heads up on that. If you're curious and you're waiting, now's the time. All right, folks. Hope you have a good learning experience here. We're going to take a look at the last 7 days of Polkadot, understanding that there's a small amount of liquidation left above about 655. Those are mostly just the late shorts there that enter. But again, all that sweepage of about 650 or 640, that's all gone. So again, that cup and handle played out pretty well. That's generally what it's supposed to do. It gets you to kind of it gets shorts to lull into a descending channel, and then it comes up to break them. And that's essentially what happened. So again, late shorts enter the market here, and here, and then they get swept. Bob's your uncle. All right, that's kind of where we're at there. So let's take a quick look at the daily time frame and work our way down and recognize that we've broken free from this descending trend and we're looking pretty solid in the overall sense. Again, this coin is a coin I have on my watch list for consideration for a long. I'm just literally waiting for Bitcoin to pull back a little further so we can take an entry. So I'm probably just going to wait until the end of today's trading day and potentially pull the trigger here. But I can tell you that this coin, along with Rune, are good coins to consider. Again, we secured profits from Rune last night, or this morning rather, from a trade last night. 9 hours and 47 minutes, 22% profit. Again, on a 5x leverage trade, medium risk. Pretty straightforward there, folks. We try to keep our leverage low, so our stress is also low. Okay, so again, you'll notice the correlation between liquidation levels as well as leverage, and then also the same thing with your stress level too. So keep it down, folks. That's all I can say. Keep it simple and straightforward to the point. So let's talk about the daily time frame. We're over 50 on the RSI. This is a bullish sign, very good sign. Money flow index is increasing, stochastic swinging up. We can also see MACD converging. Only thing we're missing here is being over the 50 on the RSI, which is getting close, all right? Sorry, not 50 on the RSI, 50 simple moving average, the 50-day SMA. So basically a closure above 0.5 would be awesome. Just keep in mind we got a lot of resistance here based on that most recent point of control. We zoom out a little bit, we can see that's just a heavy concentration at the low to mid $7 range right there at 720. So just know that will be a resistance for us when we initially try to come back up to reclaim that. 4-hour time frame. We can recognize here as well, we're starting to kind of plateau and average ourselves out. So in a perfect world, the price pulls back a little bit further, we can get in at a lower entry. But the RSI above 50 is good, stochastic swinging down is okay. MACD diverging isn't great, so we do want to kind of pay attention here to see if the momentum is shifting soon, because we have retested this ascending trend line multiple times. If we break through that, there's a potential we could see the price action continue lower. To this next fib level here, maybe $6 even is a rough estimate. But just keep in mind here, that is a potential reality. So good news is we're above most of moving averages, but the 200-day SMA is kind of holding the price action in place. We have a nice amount of point of control here at about the current price, 0.2. So honestly, a closure at 640 or higher today should give us confirmation that we're still in good shape and we can honor these SMAs and close above the 200. That'd be fantastic. So I'm thinking 640 or higher today would be a pretty solid consideration for a long. Take a look at Ichimoku cloud. We can confirm we're above the cloud still, but it's kind of ranging right here at this 630 to 640. Then we also have the lag and span that's not free and clear anymore, and the conversion line below the baseline. So we're losing that momentous trend here, and the fact is that the price action should pull back a little bit further, especially if Bitcoin reclaims its lower CME gap at about 61,100. So those are some things to kind of think about and be aware of. I'm preferring to wait for Bitcoin to pull back a little further before I take it long, at least on this specific coin. We did secure again some nice profits here on Rune coin. There's some good coins that are still available that you could definitely pick out. I think DOT is one of those, but we're right on the edge here. It's probably best just to wait a little bit longer to be safe. Again, I'm more of a safe trader personally, but that's just me. I hope you learned something today, though. I can say I thank you very much for being an awesome part of my life and deeply appreciate you liking and following if you haven't already. And obviously, join us on Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok Shorts now, as well as YouTube Shorts, providing every potential platform for you just so you can kind of stay abreast and have an edge or a leg up in the market, and more importantly, not get destroyed by the market, because there's so many idiots out there that are trading right now. No offense, I've been the idiot before too, don't get me wrong. No one's perfect. Just I think the problem is that people seem to think that like 50 to 100x leverage is like what crypto is all about. And that's what it's all about if you want to get destroyed. Like, I mean, what, under like 3% or less of day traders succeed, and less than 10% swing traders succeed. So again, it's not, the market's going to be built against you. So why not sway it in your favor? Okay, low leverage, low position size. That's all I got to say about it. Hope you have a good day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you the next one. Take care.